G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. It's quite a thick layer of opal there on the mat. Just go in a bit closer. Okay, as you can see from the rule, which is in millimetres, they're all mostly small stones. Some nice bright pieces amongst it, like that fluorescing green piece there. Purples, blues. There is a few multicoloured pieces, but not a lot. Predominantly greens and blues. The white that you can see there on the stones is overburden the clay. It's almost opalised, so to keep polishing it to try to get it off, it just start wearing the opal away, so we tend to stop at that point. There's not a lot of effort to clean the rest of it off. But as you can see, every time I turn it over, there's more colour showing. It's a typical size of the pieces. Bit of purple crystal. Bit of bright green. The red showing in that piece underneath the skin. It's only thin, unfortunately. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.